welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Tochi. You guys are welcome. So guys, today I'm going to the African store to shop, right? It's been a while that I shopped, and with the way the price of everything is going in the market, I just want to know, like, I'm just scared of how much you're going to spend, because everything we have in the house has finished, like all our African food, meats, swallow, everything. So we are basically going to buy everything. So I know that we're going to spend a lot. So I want to carry you guys along so you guys will know, how much it costs right now to buy African food in the UK. And we're a family of 4, and basically we shop once in a month or once in 2 months, right? We shop for African food once in 2 months, because the last time I went was, I think, in August, right? Yeah, so I think it was in August, and this is November, so I think once in 2 months basically. So yeah, I'm definitely going to carry you guys along. This is a vlog. And also today in my city we are having like a bonfire night. I don't know how cold it's going to be. I don't know if I'm going to attend, but I'll definitely show you guys, how I spend my day, what I get up to, and everything we're doing. I'm ready to say hi. Can't see your face. Show your face. Hi. Can I let you say hi? So yeah, when we're going out like this and they are there with their tags, don't think of any other thing. They are okay. They are good to go. So yeah, I'm here with my family. Everybody's here. This car, you guys can see it. Oh, that's fast. That's my dream car when I blow. We are going to Manchester, and I'll definitely show you guys, okay? So catch you guys at the store. Ali? Okay, I think they just brought this because it looks quite fresh. Look at how on the queue.
After me,
I think we're done. Rice. I think this section is for party, pots, plates, spoons and all. Yeah, and just get this for my daughter's hair. Pizza. No, we won't buy pizza from here.
Why?
We'll go somewhere else and buy pizza. It's for frozen food. Oh yeah. We have oil. Custard. Yeah. see live catfish, zobo, and every other thing. Oh god, this meat is fresh. Fresh. Hi guys, so we are done from the African store. I want to quickly buy hair from the next shop, so I'll just quickly enter and buy stuff. Now this place is like Balogu because let me just show you. When you come out here, you see different African stores. Ajoke hair place, blissful hair, wigs, as in
You want to use it for shoe, or you gonna try it, the black one.
Here you can basically buy any African thing, like anything African that you are used to if you come here. Like, see this one. Guys, see this shop. So that's why I like coming here, though I prefer days where I normally shop because it's quite quiet and organized. Here it's too crowded and I don't know, I just prefer that place because it's crowded, everyone is pushing you. Like, it was really a struggle filming. But anyway, we're done. I'm about to go home, so I'll just get into the car now and tell you guys the price and how much it cost us. Guys, see what we bought. I don't know if you can see everything. Alright guys, we're back home now. Like, I'm so tired, but let me just quickly show you guys what we bought and how much we got them. Okay, so guys, this is everything we bought. We bought rice, some vegetables, meat, granuts, red oil, yeah, meat, beef, cow leg, goat's meat, and all that, plantain chips, gari, noodles, malt, yam. Yeah, so this is it basically. And guys, then the hair that I bought, the hair extension I bought, this is how much we spent. I don't know if you can see it, £250. So yeah, that's it. We spent £250. When I saw it, I was like, what did we even buy? That's £250. But I wasn't really surprised because I know that the price of everything in the market is increasing. This should do us for like 2 months or thereabouts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You see, if you remove African food from our food in the UK, we won't be spending this much money. But I guess we're so used to the African food that we can't really do without it. Personally, I find it very difficult eating all this English or Igbo food. But it's all good. We just pray for God to keep providing for us, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.